Hello, children! Subscribe and leave a like on the video. Watch the video until the end to learn step by step how to color the character. Don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite character. Enjoy!
Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.